Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 25 July 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor, here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So proceed towards today's session. This was our previous two questions. Our first question was SpaceX launched South Korea's first military satellite named Anasis 1, Anasis 2, Military X. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Anasis 2. Recently, SpaceX launched South Korea's first military satellite named Anasis 2. It is launched by Falcon 9 rocket. Okay, the SpaceX is here. Founder of SpaceX is Elon Musk is the founder, and it is founded in 2002. Its headquarters is situated in California, USA. Okay, our second question was who developed the Bharat drones for accurate surveillance? Option A, DRDO, IAF, ISRO, NTPC. The correct answer here is DRDO. Defense Research Development Organization developed indigenous Bharat drones for accurate surveillance in LAC, line of actual control, the border line between India and China. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is National Broadcasting Day is celebrated on 21st July, 22nd July, 23rd July, 24th July. The correct answer here is 23rd July. On 23rd July, National Broadcasting Day is celebrated. Okay. On this day in 1927, the first ever radio broadcast in the country is started from the Bombay station. So to remember this day, National Broadcasting Day is celebrated on 23rd July. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who launched smart wristband to track COVID-19 patients? AIIMS Delhi, AIIMS Nagpur, AIIMS Chennai, AIIMS Bhubaneswar. The correct answer here is AIIMS Nagpur. Option B is correct here. Recently, AIIMS Nagpur has designed a developed smart wristband for effective tracking and monitoring. The device will operate on a technology that is more effective than the GPS technology. It is very much effective wristband, which is more effective than the GPS system also. Okay, it is launched by AIIMS Nagpur. Okay, next question. Who released the Financial Stability Report 2020? SEBI, RBI, ADB, World Bank. The correct answer here is Reserve Bank of India, RBI. Reserve Bank of India always release the Financial Stability Report. Remember it, exam perspective view, it is very much important. Who released Financial Stability Report? Answer is RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Reserve Bank of India is founded in 1935. Firstly, it is founded in Kolkata, but the headquarters of the RBI recently is in Mumbai, and the governor of RBI is Shaktikant Das. Shaktikant Das is the 25th number of governor of Reserve Bank of India. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Question number 4. Which country successfully holds flight test of 3D printed aircraft engine? Russia, Japan, China, USA. The correct answer here is USA. Recently, USA has conducted a successful flight test of an MG3D20 gas turbine 3D printed aircraft engine. A 3D printed aircraft engine. Okay, the capital of Russia is Moscow, and president is Vladimir Putin. Vladimir Putin is the president of Russia. Okay, you can see the 3D printed aircraft engine here, recently developed by Russia. Next question. Legendary jazz singer Annie Ross passed away. She belongs to which country? England, America, Australia, Bangladesh. The correct answer here is option A, England. Legendary jazz singer Annie Ross passed away. She was born in England in July 25, 1930. In 1930, she born, and she recently passed away. Ross was appearing in Superman 3. You can see him. You can see her in Superman 3. Okay, you can see the image of Annie Ross here. Okay, next question. Who is Bollywood actor launched Pravasi Rozgar application to help migrants? Akshay Kumar, Sonu Sood, Salman Khan, Amir Khan. The correct answer here is option B, Sonu Sood. You can see the image of the Sonu Sood here. He recently launched a application named Pravasi Rozgar application to help the migrant people to find the job opportunity across the India. Okay, the application features of the job opportunity from 500 company will be available in this application. Okay, also Sonu Sood help various migrants people to reach their home also in the lockdown period. So he is very famous in the lockdown period in the recent news now. Okay, next question. Where is the largest solar plant of Indian Navy established? Chennai, Mumbai, Kolkata, Izimala. The correct answer here is Izimala. In Izimala, recently largest solar power plant at Indian Naval Academy is commissioned by Vice Admiral Anil Kumar Chawla. Anil Kumar Chawla commissioned this largest solar plant of Indian Navy. Okay, who is the chief of naval staff now? Admiral Karambir Singh. Karambir Singh is the chief of naval staff now. Okay, next question. Question number 8. Who set up COVID-19 testing facility at Leh? DRDO, AIMS, ICMR, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is DRDO, Defense Research Development Organization, recently established a COVID-19 testing facility at Leh, Ladakh region. Okay, and the headquarters of the DRDO, you know, is in New Delhi. Chairman is G. Satish Reddy. G. Satish Reddy is the chairman of DRDO. Okay, who is the Lieutenant Governor General of Ladakh? R.K. Mathur. R.K. Mathur is the Lieutenant Governor General of Ladakh because Leh is situated in Ladakh region. Okay, next question. Which country recently got the observer status in WTO, World Trade Organization? India, Turkmenistan, Zimbabwe, Australia. The correct answer here is Turkmenistan. Option B is correct here. Recently, Turkmenistan got the observer status in World Trade Organization. Okay, the Director General of the WTO is Roberto Azevedo. Roberto Azevedo is the Director General of WTO, and the headquarters of the WTO is situated in Geneva, Switzerland. Okay, in Geneva, Switzerland, headquarters of the WTO is situated. Okay, next question. Who partners with NSDC to train youth, rural youth? Option A, Paytm, Airtel Payment Bank, Karnataka Bank, PhonePe. The correct answer here is Airtel Payment Bank. Okay, Airtel Payment Bank and National Skill Development Corporation, NSDC, National Skill Development Corporation, have collaborated to train and skill young people. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. The CEO of Airtel Payment Bank is Anubrata Biswas. CEO of Airtel Payment Bank is Anubrata Biswas, and the CEO of NSDC is now Manish Kumar. Manish Kumar is the CEO of NSDC. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who is appointed as Secretary East in MEA, Ministry of External Affairs? Riva Ganguly Das, Sanjay Kundu, CB George, Ravish Kumar. The correct answer here is Riva Ganguly Das. Option A is correct here. Recently, Riva Ganguly Das is appointed as the Secretary East of Ministry of External Affairs. Previously, he served as the India's High Commissioner to Bangladesh. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. As per you know, this is our question of the day. You have to answer in the comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our next session. Our first question is, which state has launched Godhan Nyaya Yojana? Our second question is, which country has successfully launched 911 Mars mission? Okay, please try to answer more in comment section. Okay, thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. Those who first visit Educational Wing, subscribe it for further updates. Thank you.